Hey, how's everybody out there? Welcome in. Today we are looking at two Xbox One motherboards. These are the OG models. Basically the first Xbox One models that came out, and then the Slim, and then Xbox One X, I think. Alright, so we will take a look at these motherboards. And so this one is a good motherboard. You have your I want to say DVD-ROM, but it's not. It is a Blu-ray drive, your fan, and your hard drive. And this is the bad motherboard right here. And we're going to plug them in, and we're going to look at the power supply. This is a good power supply. We're going to look at the power supply light and see what it does or what color it turns. We know what color it's going to turn, but we're going to just watch that because it's a tale of two Xboxes here, two Xbox Ones with this light. With this light going off and on and whatnot. Alright, so we will plug in the first one. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, it's in. Plugged it in. I already have a USB controller ready to go. Alright, so let's turn this on. Oh, wait a second. Actually, yeah. Okay, so the light goes on this one when you plug it in. The light stays on. I'm just watching the light. Alright, it's going to stay on. I want to know if you guys experience something like this too. So the light's still staying on when you first plug it in. It'll stay on. It'll still staying on. Okay, it goes off. Alright, so I think it stays on for like 20 seconds or something, and it goes off. Alright, now let's turn it on. I'm going to go ahead and push power. Okay, turn it on. Xbox come on. Xbox comes on. The fan is spinning. It's working. There's the light right there. It's not plugged in with the speaker, so you can't hear it. So basically, the setup is everything's working. Yeah, these are not plugged into TVs right now, but it's a demonstration of this power brick and the motherboards and how they react to it. So it's working fine. It's turning on. The light's staying on. This Xbox is good. Stays on. It's a known good motherboard. It's staying on. There's no problems. Alright, so there's the light. Okay, now number two. Here's motherboard number two. And I said this is the bad motherboard. So we're gonna unplug that one. Unplug the USB. Move this over to the side. It's a laptop over there. Alright, there's the the one I just put over. Now here is the known bad motherboard. Known to be bad. I gotta plug in the USB cable for the controller. Alright, now let's plug in this one. See what the light does. Okay. There it is. Okay. Goes on. Goes off. Goes on. Goes off. Goes on. Goes off. Well, it goes on again. Goes off. Okay. So the other motherboard, the other laptop, the other Xbox One did not do that. This one, it goes on and off for like, what, 4 or 5 times, and then it just turns off. So would that automatically be a short to ground? Alright, let's try to turn it on, see what happens. Alright, watch the light. Turn it on. There it is, it's going on. No fan. Nothing's running. Shuts off again. Okay, so let's unplug it. Yeah, and nothing comes on the screen. I tested that, so there's nothing coming on the screen. It just goes on and off. That's basically what this does. Alright, so I want to watch the fan now. Let me see. I'm going to plug it back in. Alright, the light goes back on. Goes off. goes on with the fan jump. Looks like the fan's not... There it goes. The fan just jumped. Okay, so the fan jumps. And it goes on. Oh, it goes on and off. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think the problem with this is? Is this a short to ground? Because I believe if the fan jumps, you are getting your main voltage or on the main power rail is all right or something like that. I'm going to have to go into more detail and actually test these test these motherboards to see what the deal is, or if I can find a short to ground. So this is just a quick video before I get into all that. But if you guys would think you know what's going on with one of these motherboards, because that's the good one. If you think you know what's going on with one of these bad motherboards, or if you experience this kind of problem, fixing Xbox Ones, the original model 1540, or even the newer model Slim, you know, could you just leave a comment at the bottom? I really would appreciate it. And I'm going to have to try to diagnose this problem a little more and come back with some more answers. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good day. Bye.